Las Vegas theme one. This one's only a max bet of $1.50. And I got 50 bucks in. Got our bet back. Who doesn't love Vegas? Everybody loves Vegas.
Ooh, I thought it was there.
I know, the person before us had paid $494 or $454, something like that. But doesn't mean it's over yet. It is Vegas, so.
Whew. 5 of a kind.
Look at that, speed one.
That's a good one. $23. Nice. There you go. We got 5 of them.
17. So maybe the speed one wins.
One time when we were on the other floor, Zeus made the same. She always wins. I don't play this because you can lose your money.
Speed runners. Oh, we're over 70 on that. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Come on now. I say if it goes up to 70 again, I'll cash out. Let's do speed run.
Oh, you got something.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you got something again.
Yep, we're. Okay, I lied. It's over at 70 now.
Hey.
Have a go.
Nice.
I guess speed run on this game works good.
Hey.
There we did again. It's slowly climbing. See if we can get it to 100.
If someone is playing like this, you should seriously call that 1-800 number for them.
What you talking about, Willis? We're winning monies this way. And we're back to our 50. I don't think it's gonna give it to us anymore. Oh, I can't stop now. I gotta keep going. Gotta stay faithful to it. I've never played it this way, so it's first timer. Now it's just taking all the money.
It says you have a problem.
It says we maxed out. We gave you almost $100. Oh, we're up again. Down. Keep going.
Hey, 5 of a kind.
15 bucks.
Nice.
Oh, up at 30 again. Up 30. This is fun. I mean, I don't really have that money to do it, but hey, whatever. Got the bet back. 2 6. Oh, got $5.
$1.50.
Oh, we could go back to that, can't we? Oh, 120 talking. 90 cents. That was fun. I've never done that. You see it went whoopity whoop whoop, up and down, up and down. So give it a shot. Never know what to do.